Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! In 2005, London, England was a target of serious terrorist attacks. Suicide bombers killed and injured many people who were travelling on the city's public transport during the morning rush hour. Because of these attacks, a British paramedic started the In Case of Emergency, or ICE programme, which is now recognised worldwide. ICE means if you're injured and can't communicate, first responders like paramedics, firefighters, police officers and hospital workers can look at your phone and read important medical details and your emergency contacts. So what you need to do is add ICE information to your phone. You can do this by downloading and setting up an ICE In Case of Emergency app, adding an ICE group to your contacts, or by adding the words ICE next to the names and numbers of the people you want contacting in case you're ever injured and can't respond. And get everyone in your family to do this too. Let me know in the comments which method or app worked best for you. Remember to think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends too, so they can be smart and be ready in case of an emergency, natural disaster or survival situation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get regular survival updates and check out my channel to see more. Oh, and if you're like me and love my gear, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.